Hello garden friends, Debbie here. Well, I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day, whether you're a mom or a fur baby mom, aspiring mom, or maybe you were visiting with your own mother. I hope everyone had a great day. I was in my favorite place in my garden. I was planting all my perennials, and then the next day we had a steady rain, so that was awesome for the plants. I also went to the cut flower garden last week and I planted the last of my seeds. Of course, I'm going to be planting more succession seeds like my zinnias and my sunflowers and my pumpkins, but for right now, all of my seeds are planted, and I started planting some of the dahlias. I'm hoping to get out there tomorrow and plant all of the new dahlias and maybe some of the ones that I pre-sprouted myself. So we're getting there slowly but surely. Stay tuned to the end where I tell you about the fantastic Birdie bed sale and other products from Epic Gardening going on. So today we're going to be talking about Birdie beds and why you want to plant in them. They have easy square foot dimensions that are easy to garden plan. It is food grade stainless steel hardware for better cosmetic longevity. They also have new reinforced bracing kits for additional vertical and horizontal bracing to support your bed standing upright. They're 100% exclusive, so you can rest assured support from the original creators. They're also sustained and made in Australia using renewable energy, ethical labor, and recycling practices. They have a Birdie bed to match every garden enthusiast, from your medium 15-inch short garden beds that are perfect for urban and suburban gardeners. And if you want to inspire children, they are the perfect size. The medium 29-inch tall Birdie beds are perfect for those that don't want to bend over and if you have limited mobility and back pain. I chose the medium 15-inch short because it matches pretty close to the original Birdie bed that I had before. I purchased it, I think, way back in 2017, and at the time I didn't have a place for it, but I knew I would use it one day. I got the slate gray this time, and the original was the clay color, but I like the contrast actually. They have 8 different designs and 3 different colors. So they have your mist green, your slate gray, and your clay color. I'm going to need one of the mist green color ones next. I'm going to show you a little video of me putting together the Birdie bed, and it was extremely easy. I did have extra pieces as I wanted to make it the same size as my original. I did not use all the side panels, which I'll show you in that video, so you could make this one actually larger. What each kit includes is 4 corner panels, 2 short straight panels, 14 inches long, 4 straight short panels, 26 inches long, hardware and assembly tools, bracing kit, the vinyl safety edging that goes along the top, and of course instruction. And now where I'm going to be putting this is in my own garden, and in the past I have grown sunflowers there the first year. Second year I grew dahlias, and the third year I tried to grow some ranunculus and anemones, and rabbits were going to town on all the greens there, so I ended up putting a fence up last year, and that's where I grew my zinnias. So this year I put the raised beds in there, and what I'm going to be doing is putting my amaryllis and my gladiolas, and I think I have a few lilies in there, and then intermixed I'm going to be putting in some native perennials. I don't know if you know the saying about perennials: sleep, creep, and leap. So I'm thinking in maybe 3 years I can take down that fence, and the critters don't seem to like the native plants. So like I said, I put in 2 birdie beds, the original that is in a clay color and the 15-inch short that is in the slate gray. And one I'm going to be having a salsa garden, so tomatoes, peppers, onions, and some herbs. And the other one I'm going to be doing a salad garden, and that is going to be my lettuces, herbs, carrots, and some scallions. And I also put in some marigolds to deter the bugs, and in between the two I put a water feature. So, and then I'll be putting some flowers around that as well. So I'm trying to develop this area. So here's a video of me setting up those birdie beds and planting in them. Okay, so we're putting in some stone for drainage. Alright, so we have some mulch and some leaves in the bottom, and then we're going to just put some soil that I had left over from the veggie pod last year. Alright, so we're putting in some raised bed mix now. Okay, next is going to be the land and sea compost. Alright, and then just some more potting mix. Okay, so we have it all filled up, and now we're going to just fill it up with vegetables and herbs. So I'm going to do lettuces and some herbs in this one, and then I will show you the tomato and peppers in the next one. And then I'm going to line it with some marigolds. Okay, for this one, I'm going to be putting in some tomatoes, peppers, herbs, and some onions, and cilantro. So let's get started with this. This will be my little salsa garden here. Next week, I will be having the first of 2 of my Proven Winners annuals. I got 3 large boxes last week. The first video, I will be putting my annuals in all of my planters, and then the second video will be in my pots and my hanging baskets. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell for those videos coming up. So now about the birdie bed sale going on right now. It is buy 3, get 1 free. So when you're putting it in your cart, you need to put all 4 into the cart, and at the end it will take off the 1. And it is a fantastic sale if you are just starting to establish a garden, or maybe you want to add to your garden with these raised beds. They also have up to 50% on select products, and if you use the select link that's below this video, you get an extra 5 with my link. Just a reminder, this is an affiliate link, but I love these products, and I will only recommend products that I use in my own garden. By clicking on the link, you support my channel, which I am extremely grateful, so thank you. The sale starts Tuesday, May 14th, and runs until Monday, May 27th. And again, that link will be in the description box below. Also, there's going to be a link for my Epic Gardening Storefront for products that I have bought in the past and that I love to use. Don't let this sale pass you up. Have a great week, and thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.